Cars parked, plowed in, and some of them ticketed. The Philadelphia Parking Authority showed some leniency after the city's snow emergency.
But certain vehicles still receive violations. NBC10 Responds reporter Valeria Aponte-Feliciano has why and where PPA continue to enforce illegal parking.
After the snow fell and then froze, the PPA turned a blind eye to most parking infractions. Still, some drivers found tickets on their frozen windshields, and it got a lot of attention.
Can I tell y'all, PPA ain't playing? Still giving tickets. They got 2 on that car.
PPA officers started enforcing on-street safety violations the day after the snow emergency ended. The key words here are on-street safety violations. Those include parking at fire hydrants, double parking, bus zones, crosswalks, and no stopping or no parking zones. PPA says almost 3,000 drivers were cited from January 28th to February 1st. Those fines totaled more than $230,000. The agency went back to regular enforcement on Tuesday.
Is this a joke?
But PPA tells NBC10 Responds officers are prioritizing safety issues and using discretion before writing a ticket. It says in part, quote, "Due to lingering ice and snow in many neighborhoods, the PPA is taking a reasonable and common sense approach to parking enforcement. Our goal is not to penalize residents who are dealing with difficult conditions."
Whenever you receive a citation, you can appeal it to PPA. That information is on the ticket. If you think ignoring your ticket is the answer, it's not, guys, because a fine that isn't paid in 15 days increases.
Yeah, they're not playing around. And it really was difficult, though, given all of the snow that's still out there.
Yes.
Yeah.
And what's coming now.
Right. And more.
Insult to injury. All right, Valeria, thank you.